everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Alright, and the length of the respective sides are also given in the diagram as well. So for this kind of similar triangle question, right? Then triangle ABC, right? I would then draw the triangle ABC in the same light as triangle ADE, meaning I'm not going to draw point B on top, rather I will actually draw it below. Okay, because they should be drawn in the same orientation. Okay, A, B, C. So C is somewhere here then. Okay. So this is a sketch of the bigger triangle ABC. And once I have that right, then I can start to position all the respective length. For example, my AB is 2.8 plus 4.9, which is 7.7. So I'm going to write it down there. BC 3.6. So now my focus is only on the red color triangle and my blue color triangle. And see, what do they want us to find? They want us to find the value of AC. Then this is where things get interesting. Well, for similar triangle, do take note that the proportion is the same. Meaning, the corresponding sides, in this case, I'm going to circle it out. 4.2 and 7.7. 2.8 and this question mark, which is AC. The proportion is the same. That means AC divided by 2.8 and 7.7 divided by 4.2, they are the same. With that in mind, I can then safely write AC divided by 2.8. This is equal to 7.7, the AB, divided by 4.2. The proportion is the same. And from here, I can then proceed to solve what is AC. Because AC is simply, I'm going to multiply 2.8 on both sides. Give me some space, such that here I can actually divide off. Yep. So 7.7 over 4.2 times 2.8, that will give me a value of 5.1333 to about 5 significant figures. Final answer, 5.13 cm. 3 significant figures. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.